Today is Wednesday, the 30th of December 2020, and I'm going to explore this footpath which is on the A1 between Apex Corner in Edgware and Sterling Corner in Borehamwood. So it's fairly muddy. We've had a bit of rain lately, and this is part of Scratchwood Local Nature Reserve. Now, I've lived in Edgware 40 odd years and I've never come up this footpath. It's very, very muddy. Lucky I've got my Wellington boots on. And now, where does it go from here? It is not obvious. That looks to be the footpath in front. So we'll continue up in this direction. It's extremely muddy here. Should have brought a change of shoes actually, as I think I'm going to have to take these off before I get back in the car. Very, very muddy here. So we're going away from the A1 traffic noise. There's a slight uphill. Better be quite careful here, otherwise it would be quite embarrassing if I fell over. That's quite a magnificent looking tree. So at least I know we're still on the footpath route, as there's a little direction indicator. Little bit drier here now. That's quite firm now. So I bet this would be quite nice in the summer actually, with all the leaves on the trees. At the moment it's quite sparse. Starting to get a little bit muddier again. Seems as though obviously the water has drained off downhill and doesn't settle at the top, but the further you go down the more drained water it obviously gets. Still on the route. Another footpath indicator. Starting to get a little bit muddier again. Nice steady downhill with a lot of leaf mulch. Just through the trees there I can see a lot of grass. So that looks as though that is probably part of Scratchwood Open Space. Quite some time since I've been up there, but picnic area. Muddy here, but not sloshy. Yes, I reckon this would be quite a nice walk in the summer when the leaves are on the trees. Aha, looks a little bit muddy again here. This does look to be the way the pathway goes. So let's press on and be a little bit careful. Yes. Whoops. Now, I'm guessing this is still part of the pathway. Now, why would somebody come out here and dump their rubbish? There's some strange people in the world. Yes, we are still on a footpath. Ah, this is exciting. Starting to go uphill now. are obviously all deciduous trees here. This is nice and wet. Very muddy here. Right, looks to be direction sign off to the right. Ah yes, there we go. Seems to be getting drier now. Quite firm underfoot now. Right into the sun. Looks like some more dumped rubbish here. Who on earth comes out into a place like this to dump their rubbish? It does look as though it was in a bag of some description, but we share the planet with some strange people. I guess they make their way out here because it is a nice location and then dump all their rubbish. Ah, some leaves. Holly, big holly tree there, smaller one there. There's my friendly shadow keeping me company. Little bit of an uphill trek now. Ah, I see a sign of life in front. Getting muddy again. And we emerge onto the picnic area by Scratchwood Open Space. Looks to be a bit of activity over there. Some adults with some children. in the distance is a very nice cafe, but whether it is surviving in the lockdown, one doesn't know. Right, let's see if I can... they're having a barbecue over there, good on them. Also seems as though I've managed to clean my shoes. There's that bottle I found. Might as well. Let's see if I can put it in the rubbish bin. God, there's a nice big dog. Well, I think I have managed to clean my shoes. And there are lights on in the cafe too. Wonder if they're doing takeaways. I think this is a fairly popular picnic area. Here is the cafe. Thought I saw lights on, maybe not. So, at that point, I will end the video.